Have you ever wondered how biodynamic farmers propagate plants and manage diseases? It's through two remarkable techniques known as grafting and budding. These are not just mere farming techniques, they represent the heart of biodynamic farming, allowing farmers to create healthier, more resilient plants while preserving the Earth's natural biodiversity. Grafting is a horticultural technique where a shoot or scion from one plant is inserted into a cut in another plant, the rootstock. The scion carries the genetic material for the desired traits such as fruit flavor or flower color, while the rootstock provides the root system and determines factors like plant size and disease resistance. Here's a step-by-step overview of how grafting works. First, a suitable rootstock is selected and a cut is made into it. The cut should be clean and precise, usually in a V shape. Next, a scion from the desired plant is chosen. It should have at least 2 or 3 buds and be roughly the same diameter as the rootstock. The base of the scion is cut to match the shape of the cut in the rootstock. The scion is then inserted into the cut in the rootstock and the two are bound together tightly, often with grafting tape or wax. Over time, the tissues of the two plants will grow together, creating one plant that combines the best traits of both. Budding, on the other hand, is a type of grafting where a single bud is used as the scion instead of a shoot. The bud is inserted under the bark of the rootstock, which is then wrapped to keep the bud in place until it begins to grow. Why are these techniques so important in biodynamic farming, you might ask? Well, grafting and budding allow farmers to propagate plants, particularly fruit trees and grapevines, that inherit desirable traits from the parent plant. They can create plants that are resistant to diseases and pests, reducing the need for chemical interventions. They also help improve yield and quality. By grafting onto vigorous rootstocks, farmers can enhance the overall productivity of plants, leading to increased yield and improved fruit quality. What's more, these techniques enable plants to adapt to specific environmental conditions. Grafting onto rootstocks that thrive in certain soil types or climates helps the plants perform better under challenging growing conditions. They also play a crucial role in conserving rare or heirloom plant varieties, ensuring their continued existence and availability in biodynamic farming systems. And don't forget about multivariety trees. Biodynamic farmers often use grafting to create trees where different varieties of fruits can grow on the same tree. This not only maximizes space utilization, but also increases diversity within the orchard. In a nutshell, grafting and budding are more than just farming techniques. They are tools that help biodynamic farmers nurture healthier plants, manage diseases, conserve biodiversity, and ultimately contribute to a more sustainable and resilient food system.